What's up? It's your boy, NoodleNick, and today we're going to be checking out 3 power banks from INIU. The P81, this one's small, you put it on a keychain, and you can also use it for an Apple Watch. We got the P781 here. This one's 25-watt wireless charger. It's a little bit bigger, but it's also thinner than most power banks. And we have the Pocket Rocket. This one is the most premium one. It's a 45-watt, 10,000 milliamp hour battery. And this one's super pocket friendly and small, so they're all a little convenient in their own way. Anyways, let's move on to the unboxing and we'll see what these things are all about. So here we got the P781 magnetic power bank. We're gonna try this one out first. It's one of those tear open boxes. I love those. We get that, and we get a little card and a little user guide. And there it is. Kind of looks like a little hard drive or something. Pretty cool. And you got your little wireless charging in the back there. You could put that on your keychain if you wanted to. A couple of Type-Cs. Pretty mint. So here we got the INIU P81. This is the one with the keychain on it. Oh, it's got one of those tear open things too. Here we go. Get a little user manual. Get a little one of these to verify authenticity. All right, here it is. Oh, this one is actually mega tiny. Yo, oh, I really like this one. It's got like a leather strap up here and a really nice ring. I thought it was gonna be like one of those cheap rings, you know, that like every keychain ever has been on. You know what I'm talking about, like the double ringed one. It looks like a doorbell. And it's got a built-in cable. My go-to portable battery has a built-in cable like this, and I love it. It's so convenient. I never feel like looking for another cable, so. Actually mega useful. And there's your little charger. Sick. You can just fold that away and just have it with you. And this one you can use actually to charge an Apple Watch wirelessly as well. That's what that doorbell looking thing is the Apple Watch charger. And we have the INIU P50 45-watt 10,000 mAh battery. I think this one has like a screen. I don't know. Oh, it's tiny. I see what they mean about pocket size. Little user guide and a scan the barcode on the seal sticker by Amazon or Transparency app. Whoa, I like this one. This one's my instant favorite. It's like the best between them both, you know? This one's really small and this one's like a little too big compared to the others. And this one is just right, and it has it's got a little screen. It's got blue USB ports. It's got 2 Type-Cs and a Type-A. Anyways, there you go. There's the lineup. 3 power banks from INIU. Which one's best for you? I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Now that we have all 3 of these, let's go ahead and plug some devices in, see what we got to work with. And so let me grab some devices. All right, here we go. We'll just flip that over. It also comes with a little extra cable built in right here in case you need that. Perfect. Not bad, dude. Okay, we got wireless. Just want to plug it in, make sure cable work. Perfect. I want to say this one has the highest capacity. I wouldn't know, I'm an idiot. This one is a little bit thinner. Like I said, you want to stick it in your pocket. It's basically like a hard drive size. Now we have the P81. This one is the one that's built for Apple Watches, but you know, you can also use it to charge your phone and stuff like that. It's the smallest one out of the 3. Maybe I have to turn it on. And this one has a display, that's cool. All right. Impressive. Okay, and then just make sure you can plug in a phone with this little built-in cord. Charging it at fast speeds. Love that. And you can just fold that away. Put it right back on your keys. I feel like I really like this one just because of how tiny it is and the fact that it has the cable. Like, that's definitely my favorite part. I love this. Every portable charger should come with a built-in cable, like directly attached. And last but not least, we have the one with the bigger screen. Okay, yep, 52%. And the display turns on once you start using it. Not bad. Good job, INIU. This port work. Nice. And we'll do a little size comparison here. So here's like the new AirPods or AirPods 2. Here's like a hard drive for comparison. Very similar. This is like a 2 terabyte hard drive. This is just like a Western Digital. Pretty decent size. You can just fit it in your pocket, take it with you, put it in a backpack, do whatever you want with it. So if you're looking for a portable battery, then look no further. Okay, so for this one, you know, if you like walking around with your keys a lot, or maybe you just want to hook it to like your backpack and just like let it hang loose or whatever, this one would probably be good for you. Obviously, if you have an Apple Watch that you need to charge, this has it built in. You could technically plug the cable for your Apple Watch into the other ones, but it's not as effective as having it built into the device. So I feel like this one is probably just for people that want a battery and style. You know, I definitely like the look of this one. It's more sleek. It just feels nicer in your hand. This is probably the best one to just put in a pocket. Personally, I think I like this one the most just because it just feels nice and beefy. It's shiny in the front. That's pretty much what sold me on it. And it's got more USB ports than the rest, and it has a Type A port, which is something that I frequently need, so it's nice to have that. And last but not least, the biggest one, I would say if you don't care about aesthetics too much and you're okay with just an effective battery that just gets the job done, that you could throw in a backpack or your purse or something, then this is the best one. Maybe a little too big to put in your pocket, so if you wanted one that specifically goes in your pocket, maybe this one would be best. And this one's also best if you like to like wirelessly charge your phone and you don't want to plug it in. You just stick it to the back of your phone and it just stays there and is charging your phone. A little bit of something for everybody that wants a portable battery. So if you're interested in INIU portable batteries, click the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Thanks INIU for sending these over. If it's still Amazon Prime Day when you're watching this video, this is the P50, it's $29 right now on sale. The P81's on sale for $22. And the P781, the biggest one of course, this one right now is $49.99. So interested in a little Prime Day discount, definitely take a look. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.